Ready to conquer the Retell lecture in your PTE exam and unlock a higher band score. Step 1. Understand the task. The Retell lecture assesses your ability to listen to an academic lecture and then retell the key points in your own words. You'll have a short audio clip, then a brief preparation time, and then you'll speak. Step 2. Preparation. Listen actively. Pay very close attention during the audio as you listen. Keep an eye out for key information, the main topic, any supporting details, examples, or explanations that are provided, and any concluding statements the speaker may have made. Step 3. Note-taking strategies. Have a pen and paper ready during the lecture. Quickly jot down crucial keywords, phrases, and any diagrams or structures. Consider using bullet points, a mind map, or a simple outline to organize your thoughts. This will be essential for remembering the details. Step 4. Refining your response. Once the audio is complete, you'll have a preparation time, usually 10-15 seconds. Immediately organize and arrange notes and keywords into a coherent speech. Step 5. Crafting your speaking. When the microphone opens, start by briefly stating the main topic or idea, then concisely include the supporting details you noted. Use time markers like firstly, secondly, to structure your points. You can also incorporate the examples by using connective words and phrases such as for example. For instance, your explanation of the key elements must be in your own words. Conclude the summary by summarizing your key takeaways. Step 6. Practicing for success. Practice, practice, practice. Listen to various lectures, record yourself, and self-review to see how well you're communicating the content. Use the tips and strategies until they become second nature. With consistent effort, you'll easily conquer the Retell lecture and achieve your target PTE score. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PTE tips. Good luck with your exam preparation.